So, ang focus naman natin ngayon, examples ng mga ilalagay niyong skills kung ikaw ay mag-apply as sales assistant. We're doing this role kasi ito isa sa mga pwede niyong applyan pagkararating niyo rito sa New Zealand or halimbawa part-time. So, halimbawa sa retail, sa mga pwedeng grocery, pwedeng sa shoe shop, damit, etc. or bag shop, ganyan. Halimbawa, gusto mo sabihin, magaling kang magbenta kasi bonus yan, di ba? Gusto yan ng store manager pag marunong ka magtinda, hindi ka masyadong mahihain. Filipino style, you can just straightforward say, I'm very good in selling or have experience in driving up sales. New Zealand style naman, pwede mong sabihin, consistently exceeded sales targets by 15% through product pairing and active upselling. Alright, pwede mo naman siyang i-reward ng ganon. Basta importante, ilagay mo yung figure. Kung iba man, kung gusto mo amount, pwedeng increase store sales by 10,000 over the holiday period through active pairing and upselling, ganyan. O kaya through consistent communication with loyal customers. So mga ganong bagay. Halimbawa naman, gusto mong emphasize time management or magaling ka, you can work under pressure. Kasi isa yan sa importante, lalo na pag peak season, gusto mo yung i-emphasize. Gagawin mo for your New Zealand CV style, pwedeng example is managed queues and restocks during holiday rush, maintaining 98% POS accuracy under pressure. Thanks for watching. Bye!